Welcome to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about Geo Scholarship 2020, how to apply online and eligibility criteria and other informations related to this. Geo Scholarship 2020 is an initiative by the Reliance Jio Infocom Limited. Short form we can say that RJIL, aimed at helping poor students to pursue their dream education. The Geo Scholarship Scheme is applicable for 10th, 12th, diploma and PG from any of these streams, does not matter which streams you are pursuing your PG. This helps those who dream of higher education but are economically backward. You no more have to kill your dreams just because you cannot afford them. Keep watching this video till the end to get an amazing scholarship. Reliance Jio Infocom Limited does not need an introduction in India. It is one of the most popular Indian telecommunication platform with an LTE network with coverage across all 22 telecom circles. The headquarters of Jio is situated in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Reliance Jio Infocom Limited has earlier announced its scholarship program for economically backward students. Students who are struggling economically can now avail of the Reliance Jio Scholarship 2020. The scholarship scheme serves as a helping hand to those who are in dire need. However, in order to avail of the Jio Scholarship, candidates need to submit an application form on the official website of the organization. Jio Scholarship Overview. Organization name Reliance Jio Infocom Limited. Category Scholarship. Name of the scholarship Jio Scholarship. Applicable to 10th to 12th diploma, PG from arts, commerce, science streams. Motto: to help the needy students who cannot afford their studies. Official website geo.com. Now talking about the eligibility criteria for Jio Scholarship 2020. The candidate seeking Jio Scholarship must be an Indian national. Applicant must belong to weaker financial background. The candidate must belong to one of these: 10th to 12th standard or diploma or graduation or post-graduation. Academic performance for Jio Scholarship 2020. Candidates willing for the Jio Scholarship must meet the following requirements: 10th class SSC with score over 70%. If CBSE board or ICSE board, score over 85%. 11th class board over 70%. CBSE or ICSE board over 85%. 12th class board over 65%. CBSE or ICSE over 80%. Graduation level with a minimum of 75% in the respective university examinations. Post-graduation level with a minimum of 75% in the respective university examination. Total amount that can be availed through the Jio Scholarship class 10th or high school criteria: 70% and above in state board, 85% and above in central board of ICSE. Scholarship amount 35,000. Class 12th, 65% and above in state board, 80% and above in central board or ICSE, 45,000. Graduation 75% and above, 52,000. Class 11th, 70% and above in state board, 85% and above in central board or ICSE, 38,000. Post graduation 75% and above, amount 55,000. Now talking about the documents required while applying to Jio Scholarship. Education Qualification Certificate, EWS Economic Weaker Section Certificate, School Identity Card, Bank Passbook, Photograph, Mobile Number, Aadhaar Card. Students from class 10th, 11th, 12th, graduation or post-graduation. Some of the frequently asked questions about the Jio Scholarship. Where can I apply Jio Scholarship? Jio Scholarship can be applied from the official website of Reliance Jio Infocom Limited. Candidates can make use of their helpline number, which is showing on your screen. What are the documents needed for applying to Jio Scholarship? Candidates need to keep the following documents before proceeding with the application process for Jio Scholarship: income certificate, bank passbook, photograph, education certificate, Aadhaar card, proof of resident, etc. How much do I get under Geo scholarship? For class 10th high school 35,000, class 12th 45,000, graduation 52,000, class 11th 38,000, post graduation 55,000. Now talking about the how to apply for Geo scholarship online. Step 1. Before you can proceed any further with the application process, it is very important for you to check if you meet the eligibility criteria. Step 2. Once you know you are eligible, go ahead with the application procedure. You can either fill and submit a form online, or you can also choose to visit a Reliance office nearby. Step 3. Head to the office website of the organization www.geo.com to fill an application form online with your details, or use the helpline number which are showing on your screen to know more about Reliance Geo Scholarship. Step 4. If you choose to fill the application, make sure you enter the correct details. Ensure to check all the entered details before clicking on the submit button. Step 5, which is the last step. Once you are done with the form submission, make sure to print a hard copy for future reference. I hope this video will be helpful for you to get an scholarship. Please share this video with your friends who need scholarship. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.